Hi guys, welcome to Mom Do's Chinese Kitchen. Today I'm going to make Chinese snack is marinated chicken feet. First of all, let's cut the nails of the chicken feet. Cut from here. And then we bring cold water here, turn on heat and chicken feet in. Here I'm making 2% portion, and ginger, spring onion, as well as the Chinese cooking wine. Let's boil about 8 to 10 minutes and come back. Yeah, now it's ready. Let's take off the chicken feet and rinse them with running water. Let's wash it. Let's take a casserole and pull all the chicken feet in. Here we put some spring onions, ginger slice, and 3 cloves of garlic, as well as the bay leaves, star anise, pepper, and crystal sugar. The reason why we add crystal sugar is to give a shining look when it's finished stewing and marinating, so the color is really nice. Now the seasoning, we add Chinese cooking wine, soy sauce. We add a little bit more, it's okay, because we add water. Dark soy sauce to give a color. Oyster sauce, not too much, yeah, 1 tablespoon. We add some red bean chili sauce, soya bean paste. Last we add hot water in, not too much, just to make all chicken feet under the water, that's fine. Let's stew for 45 minutes. Here we go. This is the marinated chicken feet. Easy to make. Everything bring to boil. 45 minutes. Everything is done. And this is today's video. And thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.